Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, I want to talk about this pastor. There is one pastor where be say the cash for inside car. They jogo those small pikin for inside car. Pastor, for that matter, my people, pastor. As the cash small boy, the cash for inside car. They jogo the small pikin from back. Then they just cash am. Igbo land the thing for happen. They come they beat the man, they beat the pastor. Not be small thing, no. They beat him, they come they drag him. You know that kind of video. I don't feel sure. Yeah. So when I see him, I shocked her eyes. I say, pastor, for that matter, my people. If you see a very cute man, oh, very cute pastor, you don't go believe say go even do this kind of thing. You don't go even believe say this kind of pastor go do this kind of thing. Now they go to church, now they go to carry that their hand, though they lay out to people head. Not know he say their own, he did their body, my people. Okay, what did this pastor do now? A good thing, my people. A pastor for that matter, they jogo those small pikin from back. When I see him, I shocked her lies, I say, this they happen, no. Waiting, you never see, you never walk carriage there. Things they really happen, my people. When I see him, I shock. Me would they pray? What you call the apple now? What you call the apple now? Me no know the kind of God where they call them, where they will just sit down small. You go say God don't call him. God don't call him. Which God calls you? Which God calls you? You get God number when they call you. You get a number. Now so they go just they do fake prophecy. They go everywhere they go. Person go they think say they be real pastor. Okay, this thing will happen now where they say everybody stay at home now. It show many people lesson. It show many people the kind of pastor where they get. It show them because many pastors they see the evil they tell their member now say may they come pay offering. Even when they see days as pastor go see the tell may they come pay offering. That kind of thing good, my people. It good, make pastor see they tell your member say come pay offering, my people. Wait, so kind of this way they happen now. Me, the thing that I dey surprise them really. I dey surprise a pastor they jogo those small pikin. What on not think, my people? Una not think and say na there for they get the power. Una not reason I do me the reason now. Say na there this man for they get the power. Na there for they get power. Because if not be there, if for they get power. If you not do this kind of thing when they do so, if you not do it, my people, when I see the thing, I shocked her lies. Again, one time, one big pastor for Nigeria, when they come Germany, you can't do crusade. You can't do crusade. Something happen along the line. The people will come the crusade, they lost their 2 children. This man not able to make it even console. He come out like that. This man, he go right say I'm back from Europe. Without they say see what happen for Europe here. That kind of thing where that man do that and a good thing, my people. Now good thing. Instead when if you say at least make it see even see console them. Say as in the year what happen no. You know say because of me now come nothing like that. This man just come out like that, my people. Where did this man do that and a good thing? Now a good thing, my people. I don't understand what can they happen. And you know the funny part, the ones who basically they go they preach the real thing. People know they go there because their church not full. They look for church way full where they go they do tafia. Where they go they dress. Make pastors they look them. Make pastors they look them. Make they look them say they're too much, they're too fine. Now that kind of thing they want. That kind of thing they like. They know they want go church where be say is they okay. Then they look for where they want go. Where they go they see they go notice me, and that kind of one that they look for my people. I don't just understand what you call the apple again for this world though. I don't understand, my people. May we they pray, and if una all those churches who they go so make una not they let all those pastors they shoot that their hand, maybe they carry that their hand they put for our children body or una pikin head or your head, because many of them they from there they take una luck, una no go know. See the other one, they catch that one they sleep with you want go sleep with a married woman, then they catch him, they tie him for ground, they come they beat him. How can a pastor you say you want to preach for the woman, you want to go to the woman for her, that the woman set you up, then they catch him, my people. Okay, that kind of thing where that one do that and I still good thing. Now good thing, my people. How can the pastor one go sleep with another person's wife when you know say it's against the law? It's not allowed. It's not allowed for a pastor to say one go sleep with another a married woman. Okay, what do you they teach the people? What do you they preach? You they preach against them. You want go do one. My people, more na still raising that part too. More na raising that part. A pastor want go jogodo or a married woman. Now they cash am. How many way they don't cash? Make una wise, my people. Make una wise. Wanna not let those pastors they deceive una again. See this thing way happen now. He can't make many people know the kind church where they go. He give one of my friends. He even tell me say they are church. Say he pastor able to tell them. He send all of the message for phone. Say me they come pay offering. When you know say they say me everybody stay inside house. You come they send them say me they come they pay offering, my people. More na reason that part too. More na still reason am more. Okay, you want tell me say that a pastor now say na God call that one. He just show say na offering in they look for. Offering money na just hold am, not be another thing. Offering money na just hold that one. He no just dey, he no get una for heart at all. Now that offering money na you just be. Because he just show say he no send una. Because something happen. Now you suppose even know the kind of church where you they go. Now you suppose even know whether your pastor love you. Now you supposed to know. Not be now, pastor will come to tell you say come pay offering. When you dey inside house, when you know say you know they go work. See one man that one was forced to even say make him cry come out. How can the day inside house pastor they say make they come pay offering? Who does that? Who does that, my people? Eh? Who does that? Pastor say make they come pay offering with the day inside house. When you know say that inside house now then they know they go anywhere for now. You say make they come they pay offering. That kind of thing is good, my people. It's good for what that man do that time. For what that big church we need the more. Say me the company, he send all of the code, when they come they pay offering. The man say never even ask them whether they don't eat, whether they never eat, whether they okay, you know, ask them. Not be now all those offering whether they pay. Now I'm not supposed to even give themselves. Say I take home, I take buy food. Nothing like that. Una see one collect for people and see all of that they insult me because be say he buy egg, he good share for people. It not still good. What about the one who not just buy uncle? He try, see buy egg. Though if they do when they go back around here, make they fry the egg, make they eat. All of them they insult and say he buy egg. Yeah, he try. You where they wash me now, you buy. He try too. The big people where they Africa, they will not come buy uncle. Won't even buy anything, even bread, they not buy. So this one we see even try all of them they come out they say why you go buy egg, Mike, and be can make or you go buy egg as you get money rich. He try. Now what he just tell me but that is still buy. Eh? What about the rest will not buy? When I know they talk to all those big churches, we be say that they collect money for our people and they don't do anything. When I know they talk to them. When they talk to only the people we be say they buy egg when they talk to them. Eh? See this woman, I know they follow and sort of ministry this thing, Yore. I know they follow the woman, but I see what he do. If person do good, he will see praise him. When I see what this woman do, I shock her lies. Me you see things when this woman buy, we want give people, we want share. Eh? I shock when I see trailer when they bring the things come down for a side boss. Eh? Now those ones the same what they do. Not be fake pastors there. See this one now. God don't catch this one now. Suppose God not catch this one. See this one for see they continue. I mean, who know how many young boys this man don't do these things to? Who know? He don't do it for so many of them. He don't do them. Now God can't catch him with this one now. Small pikin, he carry up for a side car. He dey jogo do the small pikin from back. He dey jogo do one. As they do, and they all catch him because they hear car they do home. Then they say what did they say this car make they look am? Then they take cash this man. Then they take cash him. So my people, make we dey look church before we go they go. Then they take cash this one now. Who go know the good one? That be the thing. Who go know? If they talk, they'll say you not like church. You they criticize them. You they do this one. What is that they do? What is that they do by people? Now what is that they do? So maybe they wise. Be wise, my dear. Be wise. Don't let all those pastors they deceive you again. More they wise. Eh? This is the way happen. So if una not learn for inside. Or this is staying at home. I learn for inside because God always say open many people eyes. Open the church where you they go safe. You open your eye too. So now they careful for the kind church where now they go. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. And always put thumbs up for me. So anything you think about this video, just leave your comment for the comment section. Bye.